Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the connections game, 16 clues, and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. Now, we've got stout, cider and port, brandy. They're all alcoholic beverages, but the fact that they're all together in the grid does make me think they're going to be in different groups, or at least some of them. But what are we going to do instead? That's always the question. What's outfit got to do with any of the other words? Solid and stout and firm and squat, they sort of mean the same thing. I'm not convinced about squat. Could be thick. I think we'll try these though. Oh, it's one away. That's very frustrating. That's also one away. That's even more frustrating. Okay, so we're going to have to come back to that. I wonder if that means it's not stout, because it is actually an alcohol group, but I'm not going to risk another life on that. We need to work out what some of the other groups are. I mean, Lux, what on earth is that going to go with, apart from meaning deluxe? Germ and butter. I mean, it feels like there must be a word that can come before or after some of these, but I don't know what it is. What about concern? Clearly, concern doesn't seem related to any of the others. This concerns you, or this is none of your concern. It's one letter away from concert. I don't know if that's going to be of any concern to me. What about sauce? You could be on the sauce. Continuing the alcohol-related groups, but I can't see how that could be the group. Butter could go with sauce, possibly. Germ is the start of Germany, Portugal, Malta, and something else. Luxembourg, that's what Lux is going to be. Wow, starts of European countries. Okay, we've got a group, and in theory, the purple group is the hardest, although when it's a word-related one like that, I sometimes do find it easier than some of the other groups that might actually rely on the definitions of these words. I don't know if that's cleared up some of the confusion I had around German Lux, because clearly those didn't go with anything else from a definition point of view. But I've still got a bunch of alcohols. I've got a bunch of firm things, but I don't know which 4 go together. Apple cider, apple sauce, apple butter, apple brandy or apple house? Apple brandy seems more plausible. If it was apple brandy, then we would have house, outfit, and concern, and then one of the other ones. Let's take a risk. They are all apples. Okay. So it's got to be these 3, surely. And then I think we already tried. It's not going to be thick, because I tried the other 4 before. I can't remember what else I tried. Maybe squat. So I think it has to be firm, stout, or solid that goes with these. House red. Concern. Oh, is a concern? Is that like a company? They're a decent outfit, they're a decent concern, they're a decent house, they're a decent firm? I feel like that's plausible. It is, they just all are words for company, and then these 4 are just synonyms of, stocky. Wow, did not expect to get through that when I lost those 2 lives so early. But we didn't make any mistakes after that. After a lot of thought, we'd get there in 6. That was a bit of a tricky one. Let me know if you struggled or if you whizzed through it. That is the Connections game. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.